This is another proof question. It's asking us to prove that angle ACB is 90 minus x. So where is angle ACB? ACB, ACB is this angle here. So we need to prove that this angle is 90 minus x. What I will do first, I'll just make these two radii. So this is a radius and this is a radius. Now, if we look at the four-sided shape here, because they told us these are tangents, that means they make 90 degrees. And now we look at the four-sided shape here, the red shape. This is a four-sided shape, so the angles add up to 360. So we can find this angle by doing 360 minus this, minus this, minus this. So we can just say 360 minus 90 minus 90 minus 2x. That gives you 180 minus 2x. So that's very good. So we now know this angle here is 180 minus 2x. Now, this is what we are looking for. And now, this is an angle on the circumference, and this is a central angle, and they are sharing the same arc. So we can use the central angle theorem, like this one here. If you have such shape, two angles, one a central angle and one a circumference, and sharing the same arc, the circumference angle is half this one. If this is 2x, this is half of it, so it's just x. That means this angle is half of this angle, so it's just going to be 180 minus 2x divided by 2. 180 divided by 2 is 90. 2x divided by 2 is x, so it's just 90 minus x, and that's done. Was it easy? That's a very important part. I took a snapshot from the mark scheme. Now, they say you must use a correct language. What I said here, the central angle theorem, this four-sided shape, all these are things you must write when proving. If the question asks you just to solve, you can just do it without writing these words. But when the question says proof, you must write the central angle is double the circumference angle, the circumference is half, the tangents make 90 degrees here. So these words are very important. And that's all for this question. Next question.